So if we look at relationships, how can you actually define what a relationship is? Is it the two people in the relationship? Or is it an individual and another individual? And if you think of it in terms of that, the relationship is not the one person and the other person. A relationship is actually what happens between the two people. So a relationship exists in the space between these two people, in the encounter that they experience with each other and the interaction that they have with each other. So when we talk about a relationship, it's not about improving the quality of the person, one person, or the quality of the other person. It's not about one person sacrificing something and the other one gaining something, or switched around, the one person sacrificing something of themselves in order for the other person to have something. Because that's, again, on the individuals, on the person, where the relationship is actually in the middle, the experience between the two people. So when you think of it in terms of that, the whole purpose of a relationship becomes to make the space so safe and so open so that the interaction can happen between the two people, so that there's fulfillment for both parties because of the experience and the encounter within this relationship, within that space. And one way to enhance the space, the first thing to make the space safer so that you can have a more fulfilling experience between the two people, this encounter, the first and most important thing is gratitude. If you just took 2 minutes to express gratitude to someone else, already the space becomes more approachable, more safe to engage in, and something that you want to be part of. The second thing that's so important for the space to be safe is to take out the blaming and the shaming, to not bring in the shame into the space of what the one hasn't done or what the other one has done perfectly. To remove that, it opens up the space to actually make space for their relationship to be encountered, to be experienced in that. It's almost like if you think in terms of chemistry, if you put two separate chemicals together, it creates a third one. There's a reaction between them and it creates a third particle. And that's what happens when two people come together and they don't bring in the blame or the shame and they walk in with gratitude. There's space for something a third option to be created from that space. So in essence, I would love to leave you with the idea of what can you do? How can you approach gratitude into this space so that you can have an encounter where you get to experience. You don't have to compromise or leave anything on your side or have the other person compromise and leave something of them behind. Where can you bring your fullness into this space and create a third option from this encounter that you have with each other? Looking forward to hear from you.